Yo, why is your pet Sniffles?
Oh yeah, I'll show you where he is.
Wait, hold up. Yo, I think we lost Sniffles.
Yeah. Let's go find him. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I
think I
found him.
lost-
Sniffles. I'm
Bro,
pretty
why
sure
are
I
you
saw-
being calm? You should be panicking.
No.
I don't know. Bro, he's being chill and his pet is gone. Bro, let's go check in the new map. See if he's there.
Sniffles might be in here. I mean, there's a legend where there's like a
Sniffles.
thing called evil Sniffles, which I don't think.
Why did you adopt an evil Sniffles?
No, it was normal Sniffles, and then apparently they said there's like evil Sniffles.
Sniffles. He probably. Oh, look, your
Sniffles.
plunger. Look, I found your plunger.
Hi, Sniffles.
Sniffles.
Is that?
I'm just gonna.
Oh, it's normal Sniffles. Hi, Sniffles. What the? It's evil Sniffles! Ah!
Why is it two?
Why is there two Sniffles? One has to be the normal one.
Wait, no.
I'm
If
sorry,
you do that, you
Sniffles,
gotta kill.
but I don't love you. You're evil Sniffles.
What the heck is he doing?
Sniffles, I'm gonna blow you up. Ah! Ah! That was not Sniffles.
I think you killed both of them.
Don't. Let's just get out of
Sniffles.
this. Let's just get out of here. Oh, we just found freaking
I'm gonna
evil
take this plunger
Sniffles.
with me. And this Coca-Cola. Get up!
We don't need more. We do not need.
Bro, you killed your own pet? What is wrong with
dude.
you?
I don't like Sniffles no more.
Bro, Pink, why would you kill him?
Because he's
Oh, here, have some soda.
Oh.
I'm trying to find my camera.
Right there.
Hold up, let me give you permissions. Here, grab it now. Okay, thanks. Bro, Pink, why would you... We just lost him now. Why would you kill Sniffles?
Because Sniffles evil Sniffles. I couldn't handle myself, dude. Okay.
Man. Well, that was just creepy, man.